Imagine waking up every day without the stress of financial worries. Imagine living life on your own terms. What if I told you that the secret to becoming a millionaire is not just about money, but about mindset? Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you the ultimate millionaire mindset that can change your life forever. In this channel, we empower you to achieve financial freedom and build a millionaire mindset. Discover proven strategies, tips, and tricks for saving, investing, side hustles, and smart spending. Today, we're diving deep into the millionaire mindset, the mental framework that sets the rich apart from the rest. If you're ready to transform your life, let's get started. The power of belief. First and foremost, millionaires believe in themselves. They have an unwavering belief that they can achieve great things. This self-confidence is not arrogance. It's a profound understanding of their potential. They know that self-belief is the foundation of success. When you believe in yourself, you're more likely to take risks, push boundaries, and strive for greatness. It's this belief that keeps them going, even when faced with challenges and setbacks. Think about it. If you don't believe in your own abilities, who will? Your self-belief sets the tone for how others perceive you. It's the driving force behind your actions and decisions. Remember, self-confidence comes from within. It's built through small successes and learning from failures. Start by acknowledging your strength, setting achievable goals, and celebrating your progress. Over time, you'll build an unshakable belief in yourself and your potential to achieve great things. Goal setting and vision. Successful people have a clear vision of what they want to achieve. They know exactly where they want to go and what they want to accomplish. This vision is their guiding star. But having a vision isn't enough. They break it down into specific, measurable, and achievable goals. These goals act as stepping stones, helping them move closer to their vision step by step. Think of it like this. Your vision is the destination, and your goals are the map that gets you there. Without goals, you might wander aimlessly. With them, you have a clear path to follow. These goals also help them stay focused and motivated, especially when things get tough. When faced with challenges or setbacks, they don't lose sight of their vision. Instead, they adjust their plans and keep moving forward. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Set your goals, make a plan, and start taking action. This is how you turn your vision into reality. Embracing failure. One major difference between the wealthy and the rest is their relationship with failure. Millionaires see failure as a learning opportunity, not a setback. They know that failure is a natural part of the journey to success. Instead of fearing failure, they embrace it. They understand that each failure teaches valuable lessons and brings them one step closer to their goals. When they fail, they don't give up. They analyze what went wrong, learn from it, and try again with a new approach. This mindset turns challenges into opportunities. It builds resilience and strength. They see failure as a chance to grow and improve, not as a sign of defeat. Remember, every successful person has failed many times before reaching their goals. The key is to keep going, to keep learning, and to never let failure stop you. Embrace failure, learn from it, and use it to fuel your journey to success. Strategic networking. Building a strong network is crucial. Millionaires surround themselves with like-minded, ambitious individuals. They understand the value of connections and know that who you know can be just as important as what you know. Networking is not just about meeting people. It's about building meaningful relationships. These relationships can open doors to new opportunities, provide support during tough times, and offer valuable insights and advice. Millionaires actively seek out mentors and peers who can challenge and inspire them. They attend events, join groups, and engage in communities where they can connect with others who share their drive and vision. They also give back to their network. By offering help, sharing knowledge, and supporting others, they strengthen their relationships and build a positive reputation. Remember, your network can significantly impact your success. Invest time in building and nurturing your connections. Surround yourself with people who lift you higher and push you to be your best. Smart money management. Managing money wisely is a cornerstone of the millionaire mindset. This means budgeting, investing, and making informed financial decisions. Millionaires understand the importance of saving and investing early, letting their money work for them over time. First, they create a budget to track their income and expenses. This helps them avoid unnecessary spending and ensure they're saving a portion of their earnings. A budget gives them control over their finances and allows them to allocate resources effectively. Next, they focus on investing. Millionaires know that simply saving money isn't enough. They invest in assets that appreciate over time, such as stocks, real estate, or businesses. They understand the power of compound interest and how it can grow their wealth exponentially. Informed financial decisions are also key. They educate themselves about different investment options and financial strategies. They seek advice from experts and stay updated on market trends to make smart, calculated choices. Remember, the goal is to make your money work for you. By managing your money wisely, budgeting, saving, and investing, you can build a strong financial foundation and pave your way to becoming a millionaire. Taking action and consistency. Ideas are worthless without action. Millionaires take consistent action towards their goals. They know that having a great idea is only the first step. What matters most is what you do with it. They are persistent and disciplined, understanding that success doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of small, consistent efforts over time. They set daily, weekly, and monthly goals and work tirelessly to achieve them. Consistency is key. They show up every day, put in the work, and stay focused on their vision. They don't let setbacks deter them. Instead, they view each challenge as an opportunity to learn and grow. Millionaires also understand the importance of habits. They build positive habits that support their goals, whether it's waking up early, reading regularly, or exercising. These habits create a structure that helps them stay on track and maintain momentum. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. It's about taking continuous, consistent action and staying committed to your goals, no matter how long it takes. Start today and keep moving forward, one step at a time. Giving back. Interestingly, many millionaires place a high value on giving back. They understand that wealth is not just about accumulating money, but also about making a positive impact on the world. Generosity and helping others can also create a sense of fulfillment and purpose. They often support charitable causes, donate to nonprofits, and invest in their communities. They use their resources to make a difference, whether it's through financial contributions, volunteering their time, or leveraging their networks to support important initiatives. Giving back creates a ripple effect. When you help others, you inspire them to do the same, creating a community of support and positivity. It also provides a deeper sense of purpose, reminding you that your success is not just for your benefit, but can also improve the lives of others. Millionaires find joy and satisfaction in seeing the impact of their contributions. This act of giving back not only helps those in need, but also enriches their own lives, providing a balance between wealth and well-being. Remember, true wealth includes the positive impact you have on the world. No matter your current financial status, you can start giving back in small ways and build a habit of generosity that grows with your success. So, there you have it, the millionaire mindset. It's about believing in yourself, setting clear goals, continuous learning, embracing failure, networking, managing money wisely, taking action, and giving back. Start implementing these principles today and watch your life transform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Remember, the journey to a millionaire mindset begins with a single step. Subscribe to our channel for more on financial freedom. Remember, financial freedom is not just a dream, it's a choice. Let's make it happen.